April 12th, see afternoon. I see there's more snow in the air too here in central Wisconsin. We got dumped on, we got, I don't know, 10, 12 inches in the last 2 or 3 days. You know, quality mid-April for us. Anyway, I obviously can't work on cleaning out in the yard, so let's do something completely mindless. Hang on, we're going for a ride. Oh, isn't it pretty? I got a little bit of cleaning done in here. You know, I actually have 3 cubic feet to work on. So here's what I have in mind. I just need to reboot my brain a little bit here and do something kind of fun real quick. So I decided I'm going to try casting a coin here. You know, lost foam, just carved it in foam and just took a soldering iron and really quick. You know, pretty cheesy, but yeah, we'll give it a shot. And then the F-bomb. Yes, that's my beautiful handwriting of an F there, cursive F. So yeah, don't drop the F-bomb. And this is probably what I'm going to try, if I can ever figure out how to edit. Try to use this once I get her done as a clickbait. You know, casting an anvil. You know, that should get me some views, or not. But so that's what I'm doing. I thought, you know, here's a quick of the. We'll get before and after. Draw that out. I cut it out with a bandsaw and did some sanding on it. You know, nothing fancy, but with this lost foam, it's, you know, they ain't gonna be beautiful showpieces or anything like this, and you know, probably offer them up to give them away or whatever. If anybody gets more serious about wanting some of these, I was thinking about doing some in like aluminum bronze and aluminum and maybe even copper, just as like paperweights and desk things, maybe a pen holder. But for now, we're just going to have some fun out here in the shop and see what we can come up with. So, stay tuned.